Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SmartPic Lab. Today's new product is Best Budget Wireless Earbuds for Students. Looks good and feels good, combining a stylish design with a comfortable, premium in-hand feel. Delivers clear sound with balanced audio for an enjoyable and immersive listening experience. Long battery life ensures extended usage hours without the need for frequent charging. Comfortable fit ensures the earphones sit securely in the ears, allowing extended use without discomfort. Ideal for music and daily use, delivering consistent sound quality and comfort for long listening sessions throughout the day. It provides up to 40 hours of playtime, ensuring uninterrupted listening without frequent recharging. It comes with an extra-large 16mm Neodymium Dynamic Driver, delivering more powerful bass. Equipped with a quad microphone setup with ENC, ensuring clear voice calls by reducing noise. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SmartPic Lab for more amazing tech updates.